What's happening, ladies and gents? It's your boy, the Double D. Welcome to another episode of the Hardware Kitchen. And for all those South Africans out there, I know they just banned alcohol, but thank goodness they didn't ban sexy. Otherwise, I wouldn't be here. And neither would the beautiful MSI GS66 Stealth. Truth bombs. So let's not waste any time, ladies and gents. The GS66 Stealth is a pretty big deal. And just by looking at the brand new model, you'll notice a lot of changes from the 65, the previous model. For one, it's lost the golden trim. Even the MSI logo on the back of the machine is completely stealth, no longer gold. And that makes sense. Obviously, they're going for a more stealthy approach, and I can dig it, you know? If you want to roll up on some bad guys, you do it in the Batmobile, or do you do it in the clown car with 12 guys leaning out the window honking their horns? No, you do it in the Batmobile. But you knew that already, so I like that they've gone for that approach. So besides the aesthetic changes making the machine feel more stealth mode, more Bruce Wayne friendly, the performance has had a little leg up as well. Obviously running on the 20 series GPUs now. RTX, put a tick in that box, as well as the beautiful Core i7 10th gen. That's some decent beefy power. And I like the fact that it's got a lot of horsepower, but it actually looks like something that you'd find on anyone's desk in a coffee shop, regardless of what they do, you know? Even if all they do is crunch numbers on Excel, you wouldn't know the difference. And some guys like that. Bruce Wayne didn't run around in his bat suit saying, "Hey everybody, I'm Batman." Or did he? No. Yeah, well, he did say "I am Batman" a lot. Hold on, wait. Basically, this machine is Bruce Wayne. It may look like a regular Wall Street businessman, but on the weekends it's kicking bad guys in the face with roundhouse kicks. So all that sounds pretty cool, but the GS66 Stealth has a joker up its sleeve. I like the Batman theme, I'm going to stick to it. And that is its display, ladies and gents. 300 Hz display, okay, with about a 3 millisecond response time. 300 Hz, ladies and gents. Let that sink in. That's got to be one of the best displays in terms of refresh rate on any gaming laptop I've ever seen. That is insane. That is so silky smooth, ladies and gents. Crumpets Delilah. In fact, I would like to rip this display off, boop, and just use it as my primary gaming display. That's how impressive it is. 300 Hz. It makes 144 Hz look like something a navalent peasant would use. In fact, I'm on 144 Hz and I feel navalent for using it. I will be whipping myself in the mirror later, don't worry. MSI really pulled the rabbit out the hat with this, ladies and gents. The gaming laptop market is getting more and more saturated by the day. Everyone wants a piece of that pie. I don't blame them, it tastes sweet. Sweet as grandma's apple pie. So MSI really needed to bring out the big bat and swing for the fences. And with the GS66, they did just that, ladies and gents. Obviously the aesthetics and just the form factor feels so much better than the 65, but this 300 Hz display, coupled with the boosted performance, whew, you got yourself something special, ladies and gents. You got yourself the Dark Knight. So what kind of person is going to pick up the GS66, ladies and gents? Well, believe it or not, this is a hardcore gaming laptop. It's got the performance. So you can play any game out of the market pretty much on Ultra. And that's dang impressive. But like I said, the screen is probably one of the best on the market when it comes to gaming laptops. Damn it, they did a good job with this screen. Silky smooth, Egyptian silk. Have you ever felt Egyptian silk? Not a lot of people have. You got to feel it to understand. And then take that Egyptian silk and just roll it over your eyeballs. Okay? That's how it feels when you're scrolling through Windows. Or just through Facebook with this thing. Just Egyptian silk on your eyeball. It's a feeling I wish more people could experience. It's that good. So check it out, ladies and gents. Evetech obviously are stocking these beauties. I'll leave a link in the description. Big ups to MSI for letting me play with this guy for just a couple of weeks. I'm so tempted just to tell them it got lost in the mail. and ask for forgiveness. You know what I'm saying? But I won't. They're obviously going to see this video. Love you guys. With that said, ladies and gents, that's my quick look at the beautiful MSI GS66 Stealth. I hope you enjoyed it. Let me know what you think of the this beautiful machine down in the comments. Before I go, one final thing, the sexy test. Oh, that hurts in a good way. 300 megahertz, you kidding me? Much love to you guys. I'll see you on the next one. It's your boy.